are we with these cases right now?
So the law that Donald Trump is using so far is an emergency law, but it's not the Insurrection Act. Important to keep those things different. The current emergency law that he's using says that the president can deploy National Guard, even if the governor doesn't want it. If there's a rebellion, an invasion, let's put those aside. Now, do the conditions on the street meet that? That's going to be up to each individual judge. Thus far, in Oregon, in Portland, the federal judge there has temporarily blocked Trump's deployment. That judge has said, does not meet the definition of necessary to enforce federal law. In Illinois, I want to make this point. That judge has not necessarily said, come on, bring the National Guard in. For the moment, the judge has said, I'm not going to block it now, but I need more information and I need it quickly. I need it by Thursday. And if you look at the transcript, it looks like that judge is leaning towards blocking it. So it's not quite right to say that that judge is allowing National Guard. And that's the practical effect for now, but stay tuned.
How should people make sense of this?
So we're not, at least for the immediate future, going to get one overarching resolution on all these. Each of these is a separate case. I mean, the conditions on the ground may be different. You may have conditions that meet the emergency. For example, a few months ago in Los Angeles, the judge, an appeals court said, this does meet the definition given the protest, given that there's some violence involved. But you're going to have different situations in Portland and in Chicago. And so think of each of these as just separate. They all have different judges in different federal districts, different facts. And so it's going to be a while before they filter up through the appeals courts and before we get some uniformity.